Hello and welcome back to awtoolbox.com. My name is Glenn Keller, and in this series, what we are doing is we're walking through a Teamcenter 2506 demonstration, and we're really just kind of focusing on a single box like we have in other videos, but we are planning on distributing those as long as we can get some time to do so. In this installation, we're going to focus heavily on the active workspace side of the house, so getting this client up and running that your users will interact with in the newer versions. Working with getting and making sure that the search is up and running, and doing things like finding data and picking up on data that's changed. We're also going to be looking at coming in and playing around with visualization setups. We'll look at administrative components that you can add in and what features that you need to make sure that you select to get those using the Active Admin interface and then Active Architect interfaces. We're going to dive deep into the Deployment Center interface. We're going to install and learn what it takes to install Deployment Center, any prerequisites that we may need to be installed before we get into Deployment Center and Teamcenter. We'll talk about things like installing an Oracle database to support Teamcenter and the templates. We'll mention some of the Microsoft side of the house components, but those are a little bit easier to configure. We'll go through and set up an environment in here and talk about the pros and cons for different things like options and applications and components, and then we'll generate deployment scripts in order to deploy out these updates. Now, throughout these demonstrations, we are going to be talking architectural. So we'll be kind of giving you a nice picture, a very high level picture of what the 4 versus 2-tier architectures in Teamcenter are, how microservices come into play, and how the Active Workspace client comes into play. So you'll get these really wide-ranging overviews of the architecture as we go through and install. Now, each time that we go through and install, the first time we're just going to install the bare minimum features that kind of come with the basic build. And then as we go through that, we'll identify, okay, we don't have Active Workspace or we don't have a rich client. How do we get those in? And we'll do things like adding in additional features to support, going in and deploying the Active Workspace client, talking about how it gets put onto the microservices, and then actually generating the deployments. We'll even go as far as getting into 4-tier client deployments, such as the Business Modeler IDE tool or the Rich Client application. And then we'll get those deployed out so that you are prepared to work both in the Rich Client as a user or administrator and as an administrator in that Business Modeler IDE tool, which is kind of popping up here in the background. So we'll talk a little bit about the BMIDE once it comes up and we have it installed, but we do have courses that'll talk more about it and how to use it and create projects and deploy. Now, with all of that said and done, we'll also talk about creating shortcuts and various URLs that we might need. We'll discuss options like interacting with different editors that we use to edit files and what we recommend. All the while, we do recommend that you utilize these videos as supplemental to the supported best practices guides supplied by Siemens. Make sure that you're using these, definitely use them to help you out and get going with the installations, but always refer back to the documentation hosted by the Siemens websites. Everything that we do in here is pretty much pulled from that documentation in some form or fashion through experience or through actually reading through it. So definitely fall back on that before attempting to perform any of these inside of a live production environment. That being said, let's go ahead and have some fun as we dive into the world of installing Active Workspace and Teamcenter in a single box solution for Teamcenter 2506.